Welcome to our channel. If WhatsApp channels are cluttering your status tab and you want to hide them, follow these step-by-step instructions to clean up your interface. Step 1. Open WhatsApp on your mobile device and navigate to the Updates tab by tapping the icon at the bottom of the screen. Step 2. Scroll through the Updates tab until you locate the Channels section, which appears below your status updates from contacts. Step 3. Tap on Channels to view the list of channels that are currently visible in your status updates feed. Step 4. Look for the channel you want to remove and tap the three-dot menu icon next to that channel's name to access additional options. Step 5. Select Mute Notifications from the menu if you want to stop receiving alerts, or select Unfollow to completely remove the channel from your updates. Step 6. If you want to hide all channel recommendations, go to WhatsApp settings by tapping the three dots in the top right corner of the main screen. Step 7. Select Settings, then Privacy, and look for options related to channel visibility or recommendations. Disable any toggles that control channel suggestions. Step 8. Return to your Updates tab to confirm that unwanted channels no longer appear in your status feed, giving you a cleaner viewing experience. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.